What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Margarita and I am here in Puerto Rico. I came with Leo, our friend John, and my little sister Maria, and we're also meeting up with our friend Tanner. And just being here, being with so many people that are doing well in dropshipping and doing well online, I started picking up a pattern, 3 different patterns that I see every single successful one of my friends have these. So today I'm going to show you those 3 things. The first thing is that they're in the dropshipping community. And what I mean by that is that they're either watching YouTube videos about dropshipping, inside of Discord groups about dropshipping, going to events that they know they're either going to be learning about something dropshipping, marketing, trying to hit up people and network with other people that they know are in the dropshipping space. I've done this a lot by going to events that I know are going to be teaching me about sales and marketing, because I know people who have dropshipping stores or something like that are going to go. I go to Affiliate World every year because I know that there's going to be a lot of dropshippers from around the world that are going to go. I also consume a lot of dropshipping content on YouTube. I buy dropshipping courses, and I follow a lot of dropshippers on Instagram so I can see what they're up to and I can just be in the space, maybe even DM them and we can become friends, maybe network, we can share ideas, things like that. The next one, and I think this one might be the most important, is that they are relentless. Like, I know so many people in this space that have started and failed so many times and they just keep on going. John over there was just talking about this with us yesterday when we were in the car, and he was saying, honestly, I just keep on going. Anytime I fail, I just keep on going. And Leo was like, wow, like all those times you failed, like you have to be actually delusional to keep on going the many times that you have. And now he's scaling. He's doing like $40,000 a day. And with that, I believe that comes a love for business. I think that you really have to love business to really stick with it and be relentless. You have to love it and you have to want to make it work. And the third thing that all my successful friends have in common in the dropshipping space is that they're resourceful. If they don't know how to do something, they will figure it out. There is nothing that's going to stop them from getting that information. They either pay people, they spend hours learning about it on YouTube, whatever the case may be, they will figure it out. And honestly, I say this all the time, learning is part of the game. If you're not investing your time into learning, then how are you going to get to the next level? Because to get to the next level, you need to do something that you're not currently doing. And if you're currently not doing it, you probably don't know what it is. So if you're not actively learning, how are you going to get to the next level? You know? But yeah, those are the 3 things that every single one of my successful dropshipping friends has in common. And I actually have a lot of successful dropshipping friends because I'm in this space. So I've been able to attract a lot of people who are also doing well. I've gone to these networking events where I've met a lot of people. So I know a lot of successful friends, and I've picked up these patterns and they all have them. So if you've been wanting to start business and you've been doing it and maybe it's not working out for you, maybe you're not doing one of those 3 things that I just mentioned. And of course, if you've been wanting to start dropshipping and you have no idea where to start, what to do, what product, how to set up your store, if you absolutely just don't know anything, definitely click the link in my description where I'll teach you A through Z how to start, find your product, build your store, find a supplier, fulfill, scale, create content, literally everything. I have students in my community doing over $500,000 a month. So if dropshipping is what you want to do, then definitely link in the description. And that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Miss Margarita, and I'll catch you guys here next time.